Hey guys, I'm Cassie from Zappos, and this is the Tensley Micro Suede from Dirty Laundry. When going from summer to fall, you have the perfect transitional bootie right here you can wear for both seasons because of its cutout features. You got some really cool designs right here with the studs. It's wrapped in a very soft synthetic suede upper and features decorative buckles on the side. You can slide into these easily with the zipper, and on the inside you have a smooth synthetic lining along with a lightly padded footbed. You're gonna be a little bit taller with that stacked heel in the back. It's gonna give you a boost in height over 2 1/4 of an inch, and on the bottom you have a synthetic outsole. Create a chic and daring look with these awesome boots from Dirty Laundry.